Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Valerie, and today we're talking about how to plan your wedding without an event planner and on a budget. So if you're just new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button below and ensure you follow up with our videos. So the first thing you need to plan your wedding is a planning document. You need to get this aside. For me, I use the Google Doc. I shared the link with my husband and we both planned our wedding together. Once you have your planning document sorted, whether it's a Google Doc or a Jotter, I will show you a sample of my Google Doc. The next you need to get is your budget. So it's very important that you have a budget. This makes you spend wisely and according to the set budget you have, whatever amount it is. Now, once you have your budget, the first thing on your list of requirements is your venue. The venue is very important to book early because this slot gets booked months and months ahead. So once you have your venue, you start putting things into it. Oh, boo boo. Hey, my baby. My baby is needing me. So, yeah. To get your venue, you need to have gotten your wedding dates. You need to have gotten your guest list, an estimate of your guest list, and you need to have gotten the style of the wedding you want to do. It could be an outdoor wedding or indoor wedding, a garden wedding, a beach wedding, a hall wedding, whichever type you want to do. You have your venue set and booked. That is number one. The second and very important are your vendors. So you have a list of vendors that you have. Seriously. I guess I will leave the book one side. Yeah, I wrote my vendor list here, but now it's ripped apart. So we have our DJ, MC, food, chops, decor, if you're a lady, makeup, hairstylist, nails, and then you need your souvenir, you need your cake. If you've not gotten your rings, you need to get your rings, your photographer, your rental if you're doing an outdoor, your tailor, or you can say your fashion designer, and drinks, very important, both drinks and water. And then for those that need to do like a special IV, those are the list of vendors. I think that should cover the number of vendors that you would need to get. Now, these vendors have to be contacted on time. They have to be booked with your dates. Some of them will require payment, some will require full payment, but please ensure that you get valid vendors. If you need to check them out in their location, please do. If you need to verify them online, please do. You can get these vendors from your friends, your contact list, or simply research them online. The next you need is your outfit for you and your husband. Now, the outfit is very important because you really want to look good on your wedding day. So you need to check for your outfit, accessories. Then if you're having bridesmaid and groomsmaid, you need to also know if you're buying for them and selling, or you're asking them to go get them yourself, or you're not even having bridesmaid and groomsmen, you're just doing you and your husband. What we have here is your IV. You would realize that your invite list keeps changing, updating as you go on. You'd have had an estimate of, let's say, 100 150 guests, but by the time you're done you would have close to 200 or less, I don't know, depending on your type of friends and families and guests that you're planning to invite. But this invite list keeps on changing. So once you have your invite list finalized, you need to send out these IVs and make sure you send it out on the right time. So we know we've spoken about getting this number of vendors, photographer, DJ and all. A very important part is the follow-up. So if you're planning your wedding yourself, you can't really do all this yourself. So you need to involve your family and friends because when I say friends, I mean your very close friends. At the end of the day, you might end up doing this yourself, but just put one or two people. You can create a group chat, which I like what I did, and I told them about plans, and then I said, oh, okay, please help us manage drinks. Susan, please help us manage my family. This is like my cousin, yeah. My sis, please help me manage my MC and my DJ, my brother. So I just put in my family to just manage these people because I just wanted it to be like a hands-on. Mama, you're distracting me. Anyway, when the follow-up is very important, you can share the contact of your vendors with them, and they would reach out to these people and give you a response within a reasonable amount of time before your wedding. So finally, you would have two main contact people. These are the people you will put on your wedding IV as your RSVP. You put their name and their contact number. These are the people that would, those that can make it to your wedding will contact, and those that want to send gifts that can make it would contact. So basically, they are like the figureheads. You can have one from each family, one from the husband's family, and one from the wife's family. They would also stand as the main contact person for your wedding that would collaborate and work with all the other contact persons you have put for other vendors. So any questions and issues, they would reach out to these main contact people for assistance. That's it, guys. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question or you feel I missed something, please leave it in the comment section. Bye for now.